ideas, so much to see. Why and where and how could it be? The world's a puzzle, piece by piece. Curiosity will never cease. Zooming in, flying high. Answers sparkle, watch them shine. Learning's fun, it's what we do. Join the quest with CurioCrew. Come along, there's more to know. Every question helps us grow. Adventures waiting, me and you. Let's explore with CurioCrew, yay!
Welcome back to the CurioCrew treehouse, where every sneeze might just lead to a science mystery.
ACHOO.
Wow, Sneezilla alert. That was massive.
That tickled my brain. Hey Dada, why do we even sneeze?
Incoming question detected. Activating nose mode. Let's find out why our bodies go kerchoo.
Deep inside your nose are tiny hair-like guards called cilia. Their job? Catch dust, pollen, and even peppery invaders.
So it's like my nose has tiny broomsticks.
Exactly. And when too much irritates your nose, it sends an emergency signal to the brain.
Like a booger alarm?
Code ACHOO, initiating sneeze blast mode.
Your brain sends a message to your chest muscles, throat, and nose to work together and boom. Out comes the sneeze at up to 100 miles per hour.
My nose is basically a superhero wind machine.
Where else do people sneeze for weird reasons?
In bright sunlight? That's a photic sneeze reflex. About 1 in 4 people have it. In some cultures, sneezing means someone's thinking of you.
ACHOO must be grandma.
Sneezing is also your body's way of protecting you, blasting out germs before they make you sick.
Which is why we say, cover your sneeze, please.
So my sneeze was actually a nose ninja defense move.
Sneeze Squad, assemble!
Mission complete. One sneezy mystery solved.
Whether it's dust, light, or a peppery puff, sneezes are your body's way of shouting. Out you go, invaders.